Hello, it's Easter, and the Easter Bunny gave us a very special visit and brought us some carrots. Oh, I'll talk about this later. We decided to make a chicken and carrot stew, for which we need 4 chicken thighs, 1 chopped onion, 2 pounds carrots, 16 to 20 of your favorite dried plums, a 1/4 teaspoon powdered saffron brewed in 2 tablespoons of boiling water for 10 minutes, 4 tablespoons oil, 2 tablespoons sugar, juice of 1 lemon, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon salt. Sauté the chopped onion in 2 tablespoons of oil. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and saute for about 15 seconds. Add the chicken thighs and cook until golden on both sides. Add a couple tablespoons of water, put the lid on and cook on medium-low for 20 minutes. Julienne the carrots. And saute in 2 tablespoons of oil. Go ahead and add all the carrots the Easter Bunny brought you. Now, do you know the trick or the science of a soft, sweet, and sour carrot stew, which is neither tough nor mushy? You need to deal with de-polymerization of pectin. Pectin is responsible for carrots' physical strength. Cooking makes carrot tissues softer by breaking pectin to smaller molecules. Well, acid slows down this process so you can cook the carrots to your desired softness. Then add the acidic lemon juice. Add your sauteed carrots, dried plums, and a couple of tablespoons water to the chicken and let cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Then add the salt, sugar, saffron, and lemon juice and cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. You can serve the chicken and carrot stew on plain rice. Nusha John, enjoy! Please give us your thoughts and opinions. To stay up to date with our latest videos on yummy Iranian cooking, make sure to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. Bye now!